Hey everybody, this is Pastor Dana Coverstone. I want to tell you about an event that's going to be going on in September in Dallas, Texas area. And if you can go to watchmanstrumpet.com. And basically what it is, it's going to be 48 hours of prayer and fasting and praying for God to move in our nation. Many of you know I had a dream about September and a solemn September Assembly and praying for the entire month. In my church and myself, I've got prayer guides I'm putting out myself for others to pray with. But this event is one I felt I need to be a part of. And I've been asked to come and to share some things, but also to pray and to lead out in prayer. The information can be found on watchmanstrumpet.com, and I encourage you to go. We're looking for 3,000 believers, 3,000 Christians to come and send up aggressive prayers to the Father and asking Him to move in our country. We have an incredible election coming up. We see our cities on fire right now, and we need to be the city on a hill. The church needs to rise and shine at this time. We need to be out there doing what we can and making a difference. And it's going to be warfare. There's going to be warfare, I believe, starting September 1st and going through the end of the month. And the warfare that we make it through is going to prepare us for what comes in October and November. So I want to encourage you, if at all possible, you can be a part of what's going on in Dallas, Texas, that third weekend of September. I'm asking you to go to watchmanstrumpet.com. There's a prayer topic list, the things we'll be dealing with and talking about, hotel information as well. But just go to watchmanstrumpet.com and register if you can be a part of this. This is something I believe is very, very important for the nation. And very, very important for the church, because the fires of persecution that are coming are going to be the things that spark the great, great revival that I believe and many others believe as well that we're going to see happen. So we're asking God to give the church a stronger backbone. We're asking God to reveal corruption both at the government levels and in the church. And we're also asking God to give us a great harvest in the months to come. So hopefully you can come and be a part, or you can pray with us during that weekend and fast as well. I believe, and we believe those that are coming and behind the event, we believe that God's going to move because His people have been moved to pray. So think about it, pray about it, check it out at watchmanstrumpet.com.